Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. So today's tutorial is based on how to log out of Facebook Messenger. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, before getting started, make sure to update your Messenger application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, open up your Messenger application and also make sure that you are logged in. Unfortunately, Messenger does not have an independent feature of logging out. Along with that, you'll have to log out from your Facebook as well. Now what you can do is there are some alternative method which you can give it a try. So the first method is just simply tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. So after you tap on your profile icon on the other page, just scroll down and right in between you have account. So under account there are multiple options and you can see there is switch account. In case you have a secondary account, then you can simply switch your account, and that is one of the method to log out of your Messenger. So then the other thing what you can do is just simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your Messenger application, or you can simply tap on settings as well, or your phone settings. So after you tap on app info, just simply tap on storage. So what you have to do now is that you simply have to clear your cache, and after that tap on clear data. So once you tap on clear data, once again there is a confirmation, just simply tap on it. So after you clear your data, you will automatically log out of your Messenger application. So these are the only alternative method on how you can log out of Messenger. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.